When finding the arc length of a circle, you're going to want to use the formula theta divided by 360 times 2 pi r. And so here we're asked to find the the angle that creates this arc length of 1,275, given the radius is 375 meters. So we're going to go ahead and fill in what we know. We know that the arc length is 1,275 meters. And then we don't know our theta, so that's our unknown. And so therefore I'm going to just mark it with an x. Divided by 360, and then I'm going to multiply that by 2 pi r. And I'm going to fill in that r with 375. Now when I'm solving this, I'm going to go ahead and first divide by this 2 pi 375 on both sides. Now when I do that, I want to make sure that I'm grouping all of that multiplication in parentheses when I'm dividing. If you do that correctly, you now have x over 360 on the right side of your equal sign set equal to a decimal of 0.541126. Now to undo that fraction, you're going to go ahead and multiply both sides by 360. So I'm going to times that by 360, and that's going to undo this fraction. When I do that, I'm going to get my answer of 194.805, and that's going to equal x. Again, you're asked to round to the nearest whole degree, so my final answer, I would say, is 195 degrees.